Hello guys, welcome to a really spontaneous video. So I was getting ready to film another video and मुझे अपनी वैनिटी देख के इतनी एंग्जाइटी होने लगी because I just figured that so many of my products are expired and I was just like I am collecting and hoarding and just holding on to so much of makeup and I can't stop thinking about it. So I was like I need to get rid of it. Like मुझे जितना भी expired makeup है वो तो निकालना है, like तुरंत निकालना है so that मुझे थोड़ा peace of mind मिले. So yeah, welcome to a very spontaneous video. This is definitely the first drawer that I want to tackle, and all of my eyeshadow palettes. I know a lot of this is expired because I haven't really decluttered eyeshadow palettes since I started my channel. Look at this lipstick. This is what caused my breakdown, you guys, when I couldn't find my lipstick. And we have a lot. This drawer is just a mess and I want to sort it out. Okay, so the first palette is this. I see it's brand new, and now I have the Shy Style palette, so I think I'm gonna give this back to Nidhi. Nidhi actually gave it to me and मैं use नहीं करी तो मैं उनको दे सकती हूँ ये. This is my first high-end eyeshadow palette. ये actually मैंने अपने first salary से खरीदा था and I just have emotional attachment to this and I just can't throw this. I know ये expire हो चुका है बहुत पहले. इसकी सिर्फ 6 month की expiry थी. What the hell? कौन आई शेडो पैलेट 6 months में यूज़ कर लेता है? लाइक आई जस्ट वांट टू नो who can use an entire eyeshadow palette in 6 months. That's just bizarre. I'm gonna keep it because I just can't part ways with it right now. But yeah, I have this Nykaa one. I don't like this. I'm not gonna use this. So yeah, this is my favorite, one of my favorites. I just want to say one thing. A lot of these products are amazing and they work really well. It's just that I don't use it because I have had it in my vanity for so long. So मैंने इनको बहुत यूज़ कर लिया है already. Tan Beauty, it's my favorite. Then we have these Colourpop ones, and I'm gonna be honest, I have not really used them that much, but they are not expired yet. Yeah, so I'm gonna keep both of these, and मैं इनको भी use करने वाली हूँ. At least get some use out of these. Oh, I have this. I used to love this so much. Bad Habit का, but ये भी ये भी एक्सपायर हो चुका है बहुत पहले. Oh my god, I have ये वाला palette. Do you guys remember? I used to love this so much. I think I'm gonna keep it because this is an amazing palette and ये अभी तक एक्सपायर नहीं हुआ है, so I can still use it. And then last I have Tati and my Juvia's Place, and ये दोनों अभी एक्सपायर नहीं हुए हैं, so I'm gonna keep it. This drawer is sort of looking better. I know I can still get rid of some, but I cannot declutter everything at once, so I'm gonna keep these. Okay, now we come to this. It is literally so colorful and pretty. I don't know if I will use this though. I'll keep it. I'll see. अगर मैंने इसको next week में बिल्कुल use नहीं किया, then I will give it back. And I have this Makeup Revolution one. इसको मैं काफ़ी use करती हूँ. I'm gonna keep this. Then my Too Faced. I use this a lot too. Like this is my go-to, so I'm gonna keep this. The Shy Styles one, I'm using this a lot too. ये मैं बिल्कुल यूज़ नहीं करती. I'm gonna declutter this. Then I have this next one. Don't really reach out for this anymore. Like this is a beautiful palette. I love it, but I just don't reach out for this. So yeah, I'm gonna. मैंने ये palette actually बीच में बहुत यूज़ किया था, and then I just don't reach out for this anymore. So this Swiss Beauty one is definitely expired. Like I'm dead sure ये expire हो चुका है. So I'm gonna throw this because this is something I bought जब मैंने अपना channel start किया था 2017 में. Like this is an amazing palette, but ये expire हो चुका है. So okay, then I have my Lunar Beauty. This is new and I love this, so obviously I'm gonna keep this. And then I have all the Cuffs and Lashes palettes. I really like these, so I'm gonna keep these too. And then I have this Focallure ka Endless Possibilities. I actually don't use this at all. I think I'm gonna give this back because I don't use this. Okay, so I decluttered a lot of my blushes and stuff already. Like I barely have anything. Yeah, Anastasia ka jo glow kit hai, I have barely used this. Like this is brand new almost, but I just can't declutter this because I'm again emotionally attached to this, so I'm gonna keep this. ये जो palette है Magic का, I use this a lot, so I'm gonna keep this. And of course my Sugar का face palette, I use this a lot too. ये Champagne Pop, I think this has expired too, but I can't throw it because I can't find it online, so unless I get a replacement I can't throw this. I'm just showing you guys an overview. Abhi I'll do a proper tour later, but yeah, this looks a lot more clean, you guys. I'm so relieved. I also just counted and I decluttered 18 eyeshadow palettes, and abhi मेरे पास currently 14 eyeshadow palettes. So yeah, I can keep them and I know that I will, you know, reach out for them even more now. So yeah, I feel really light, you know. Finally मैंने काफ़ी हद तक declutter कर लिया है. So yeah, that's what I wanted to do and I honestly feel so much better. I feel calm. I'm actually also having a yogurt right now and then मैं अपना वीडियो फिल्म करूँगी. Hey guys, so it is the next day and मैंने सोचा कि मैं इस vlog को actually continue करूँगी. Wait a minute, मुझे थोड़ा ये tripod ठीक करना है. So yeah, I just woke up today and I was like, I'm gonna continue to vlog and just, you know, show you guys what I'm doing today. I also have this huge PR package that I'm gonna show you guys. But before I move ahead, I'm just gonna do a little bit of face masking right now. And if you guys follow me on my Instagram stories, you guys will already know what mask I'm talking about. This is by Wow Skin Science. It's their turmeric clay face mask. This is what it looks like. So I have been loving this of late. मैं इसको पिछले 1-1.5 महीने से यूज़ कर रही हूँ and I absolutely love this stuff so much. Now this is based on the traditional Upton recipes. So this has turmeric, it has chickpea flour, it has almond flour, it has rose water and sandalwood oil. इससे ना ड्राई एंड फ्लेकी स्किन भी रिमूव हो जाती है एंड इसमें जो टर्मरिक एंड सैफ्रॉन है इससे आपकी स्किन ब्राइट भी हो जाएगी एंड ऑल्सो इट हैज़ हीलिंग प्रॉपर्टीज. सो उपटन मास्क पहले लोग टैन रिमूवल के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ करते थे. सो दिस ऑल्सो डज द सेम थिंग एंड ऑल्सो इट हेल्प्स टू कम इरिटेटेड स्किन. नाउ बिफोर आई यूज दिस ऑन माई एक्ने प्रोन स्किन आई डिड अ पैच टेस्ट एंड इट सूटेड मी एंड उसके बाद ही मैंने इसको फुल फेस पे लगाया था. Wow Skin Science products are manufactured in India and they are free of any harsh chemicals like parabens, sulfates, mineral oils and silicone. Alright, while I wait for this to dry, I want to quickly talk about the QR scan that you will find on these products. इसको आप जैसे ही स्कैन करोगे ना, it will take you directly to the app and आपको उससे पता चल जाएगा कि ये प्रोडक्ट ऑथेंटिक है. एंड जब आप इसको स्कैन करोगे आपको पॉइंट्स भी मिलेंगे जो आप अपने नेक्स्ट परचेज में रिडीम कर सकते हो. माई फेस जस्ट लुक्स वेरी ग्लोई एंड फ्रेश एंड आई हैड दिस एक्टिव एक्ने ऑल्सो. सो आई कैन सी कि उसमें भी इन्फ्लेमेशन काफ़ी कम हो गया है विच इज़ अमेजिंग. आई एब्सोल्युटली लव दिस टर्मरिक क्ले मास्क एंड मैं आप लोगों को recommend करूंगी. if you guys are looking for a nice summer mask you can definitely give this a go. This is available on buywow.in and you can use my code Anindita and you will get 30% off. This code is only for the website and it is not a commission code, it is only for you guys. You can also get this from Amazon, Nykaa or Flipkart. So the Upton range also comes with the Upton face wash. This also has no parabens, no silicones and इसमें वो सारे benefits है जो आपको Upton face mask में मिलेंगे. This also comes with a silicone brush and उसमें एक cover भी आता है. Coming to the Upton face serum, it also has the same benefits of the Upton range. It is a very lightweight, non-sticky formula. Again, no parabens, no silicone. In case you want to check these products out, मैं इनके links भी description box में डाल दूँगी. They also recently launched an app called the Buy Wow app. Also, the app has a lot of new offers. It's super easy to use and navigate. So, in case you want to download the app, I will leave a link in the description box below along with the link of the products. Alright, now that the skincare part is done, I think I'm gonna eat a little snack. आजकल मैं yogurt खा रही हूँ, so I'm just gonna eat that. And I think I'm gonna make pasta उसके बाद. So yeah, Anindita in the kitchen once again. Lockdown का time start हो गया है, so this is what we are gonna do. Okay, cooking update. My pasta is boiling and I think मैंने सही amount डाला है इस बार. So yeah, that is boiling and then यहाँ पे my onions are, I don't know, cook हो रहे हैं. I'm so bad with these terms, but हाँ, इसके अंदर मुझे अभी टमेटो प्यूरी डालनी है जो मैंने कर लिया है. So in another 10-15 minutes this should be ready. Okay guys, I made the pasta. This doesn't look appetizing at all. And I think मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा इसमें पेपर डाल दिया, but oh god, I'm gonna eat it. And I think मैंने साइड से इसको जला भी दिया. Oh my god. But we are still gonna try this. Hello, so I'm back in my living room and मैंने AC चला दिया. So sorry अगर आपको थोड़ी सी AC की हवा कह रही हूँ, आवाज़ आ रही है because it's so hot. I just can't take it anymore. So yeah. Okay, so in this bowl, this looks a lot better. Like, be honest you guys, इतना बुरा नहीं लग रहा अब. Just gonna eat this now and give you guys a taste test. Wow. Whew. So oh god. I think मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा स्पाइस डाल दिया. मैंने ना इसमें पेपर भी डाला एंड मैंने इसमें सूखी मिर्च भी डाली है जो रेड वाली होती है. सो इट It actually tastes better than it looks, so I am happy about that. I mean, I can't complain. Okay, you guys, I've eaten. Now it's time to show you guys my beautiful package that I got by this Instagram store called Isra. So they contacted me and they asked me if I want to try out some of their handbags, and I was like, for sure. So this box really blew my mind because you guys, they have such beautiful packaging. So box आपने देखा ना कितना लक्स था, and then they also have this customized ये क्या बोलते हैं इसको, wrapper. And its logo पे ना you can see there's a woman and then there is a crescent, and of course I love crescents. I have a crescent tattoo also, so yeah. And इसके अंदर भी they have cards and everything, so I really like the thought that they have put into their branding and stuff, and they also sent me a cute note, so thank you so much. So the first bag looks something like this. So this is a saddle bag and this is a knockoff of the Dior saddle bags, and I just really like the design and I thought कि I can carry it आस पास because yeah, it's compact and yeah, just you know pictures वगैरह में भी cute लगता है. Of course I'm not gonna buy a Dior bag right now, so this is gonna make do. इसका quality is really good, like really good fall leather, and बिल्कुल भी cheap quality का नहीं है, you know. And you guys can see for yourself, like the design is so pretty. Here you go, it's very you know stylish. इसके अंदर ये बहुत ही सुंदर स्ट्रैप है, एंड आई रियली लाइक कि स्ट्रैप पे ना ब्रांडिंग नहीं है. यूजुअली क्या होता है ना, स्ट्रैप पे भी वो Dior वगैरह लिख देते हैं, सो इसमें वो नहीं है, एंड इट्स जस्ट लाइक अ नाइस प्रिंटेड स्ट्रैप. एंड यू ऑल्सो हैव दिस चेन, सो आई डोंट नो इसको कैसे लगाना है, बट या आई विल फिगर इट आउट. ओवरऑल आई रियली लाइक दिस बैग, इट्स रियली क्यूट. एंड द नेक्स्ट बैग इज एक्चुअली अ सरप्राइज. मुझे नहीं पता था शी इज गोना सेंड दिस, बट आई एंडेड अप लाइकिंग इट सो मच, एंड ऑल्सो माई मॉम लाइक्ड इट. सो दिस इज व्हाट द बैग looks like. Anyway, see, it's a pastel blue color, like a baby blue color almost. I hope that you guys can see the beautiful blue color, and इधर gold की detailing है. It's again of really good quality, and इसके अंदर ये gold color का chain है, so that is cute. And then you have the pockets and everything. My mom really wants to use this because she really loves bright colors and everything, and ऐसे type के pastel shades ना आजकल बहुत in भी है. So yeah, this is really cute. Really like both of these bags, you guys. If you want to check out their store, I will leave a link in the description box below. The Instagram store also sent me jewelry. The store is called orangekisses.in, such a cute name. So they sent me handmade jewelry, and oh my god, these are literally the cutest jewelry pieces ever. So she makes all of these jewelry pieces by hand, which I think is so freaking amazing. Like, you are so skilled. The first piece looks something like this. So these are basically sunflowers, and look at how cute and dainty they are, and how well made these flowers are, and इतनी सुंदर detailing है इसमें. Like, I was so impressed when I saw it, just because the detailing and everything is amazing. And she sent another pair. ये भी sunflower ही है, but these are dangly, so you guys can see these are so cute, and these will look so nice with all of my black t-shirts. Like, sometimes you don't want, like, you know, hoops and stuff, you want sunflowers in your ears, and I just think that these are super cute, and yeah, I can't wait to wear them. So I will definitely link her store as well in the description box below in case you want to check it out. And अगर आपको कुछ भी पसंद आता है तो प्लीज़ आप जाके उनको ज़रूर सपोर्ट करना. This was a messy quarantine vlog, but I hope you guys enjoyed watching, especially the declutter part. Thank you so much for watching this video. Leave a comment down below. I love reading your comments, and yeah, subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.